Voltage-gated channels are really the key player in changing the difference in membrane potential. So here we are looking at a voltage-gated channel. As you see here, this is the selective filter. So it selects which kind of ions that can pass through. And this is really the key, the S4 segment, which is the fourth transmembrane domain of the protein of this channel. It is involved in the voltage sensing mechanism, so sensing whether there is a change in potential difference. And now this is the outside of the cell membrane. This is the inside of the cell membrane. So how do voltage-gated channels work? Let's talk about its mechanism. So there are generally in two positions which the S4 segment can be at in order for the ions to pass through. So first, it's the shut position. The S4 wing goes down when the cell membrane is polarized. It is polarized because our cell membrane is generally polarized. As you can see, the outside is positive and the inside is negative. So our resting membrane potential makes the membrane polarized. And because of this polarized cell membrane that we are at constantly, which is the resting membrane potential, the S4 wing is attracted down towards the inside. So we have a shut position. The pore will be closed and no ions can go in or out. Now we have the open position. So what it does is that when the cell membrane is depolarized to around -50, the S4 wing will migrate back up so that the structural occlusion from the pore can be removed and then ions can diffuse through. So the key thing to understand why the S4 wing goes up and down is because mainly of the attraction and the repulsion of the charges of the wing and the charges. So when it is polarized, the S4 will be attracted towards the negatively charged inner surface of the membrane. So its position will be downwards. But when the membrane is depolarized, the S4 will move upwards because of a positively charged inner surface membrane. One of the most confusing thing is to understand that the channel is closed because of the polarized membrane. So what that means is that at resting membrane potential, the gated channels are closed. It is a polarized membrane potential that keeps the channel closed. Remember that.